Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best lightweight folding bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Schwinn 20 inches loop folding bike. Well, as expected the number 1 brand in this review is Schwinn 20 inches loop folding bike. It features 7-speed gear system with shifter making it the best commuter or exercise tool for hilly areas. It features a pant guard, front and rear fenders which keeps dirt and grime off your clothes. It includes a rear rack that enhances easy transportation. The braking system uses an alloy linear pull brakes. The design features low stand-over frame which enhances easy climbing and easy takeoff even when you are wearing tight jeans. It folds easily to a compact size that easily fits in the provided nylon bag. Moving on at number 4, we have the Retrospec Bicycles Speck Lightweight Folding Bicycle, Single Speed. Riding around the city doesn't require high speeds, besides the streets are quite tight. This is when the single-speed bike such as this one from Retrospec becomes handy. It boasts an aluminum frame which makes it 30% lighter than steel frame bikes. The 20 inches wheels allow smooth rolling and enhance moderate speed performance that is safe for urban riding. It features folding handlebars, top tube, and pedals. The tires are incredibly wide to enhance a table and safe riding especially when cornering. They also feature water dispersion grooves and rounded treads. Thus, this bike is ideal for riding on smooth paths that are mostly flat. At number 3, we have the Vilano Urbana single-speed folding bike. Sometimes single-speed bikes perform better than the multiple-speed bikes. However, this depends on whether the riding terrain is smooth and without hills. Nevertheless, you can use the single speed on hilly roads when you want to put your body under strenuous exercise. If you want to burn more calories, Vilano Urbana single-speed bike will be a perfect solution for you. It features coaster brake system which is durable and efficient in all weather situations. Besides, this bike is super light as it weighs just 21.5 pounds, yet has a remarkable load capacity more than speed gear bikes. The folded size is 12 inches by 32 inches by 25 inches. Thus, you can stash it in any space whether in the car, train or your living flat. At number 2, we have the Critical Cycles Judd Lightweight Folding Bike Single Speed with Coaster Brake. Are you looking for the best bicycle that is ideal for quick transportation and storage? Look no further, this bike from Critical Cycles will ensure that you enjoy maximum benefits for all your riding needs. The wheel measures 20 inches and the tires are from Kendall Quest commuter tires. The tires are very efficient since they have rounded treads and water-dispersing grooves. Unlike steel and other metallic frames, the aluminum type is over 30% lighter making this bike convenient for transportation. Equally, it is ideal for hiking since you can carry it on your shoulder if you find the terrain unpalatable. The folded size is 10x30x22, making it % commuter machine which you can stash anywhere. And finally at number 1, we have the EuroMini ZiZZO 26 pounds folding bike, lightweight aluminum. It seems EuroMini brand has really specialized in making outstanding lightweight folding bikes. For this ZiZZO model, it weighs just 26 pounds since every metallic part of the bike is made of aluminum. These include handlebars, seat post, crankset, head post, rear hub among other parts. Apart from maintaining a lightweight, it features an adjustable stem to ensure riding efficiency for all riders. The gear system is Shimano Revo 7-speed. This gives you the ability to ride smoothly and speedily through all terrains. The double-wall rim and all-terrain tires ensure easy and magical riding through any rough road. The folded size is H27, L31, W12.5 and capacity it can endure is 240 pounds. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.